Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Install the Spotify desktop app, OBS Studio, and a now playing utility such as Snip or a browser widget. Once installed, open Spotify and sign in so playback metadata is available. Next, run the Now Playing tool so it can read local Spotify data. Make sure your firewall or antivirus allows that tool. These steps create the data source. You need that live metadata before adding anything to OBS, so verify playback shows track info first. Now link the metadata into OBS. If using Snip, configure it to output a text file with title, then in OBS add a text source that reads from that file. If you have a browser widget, add a browser source and paste the widget URL or local HTML. Once connected, style the text. Choose font, size, alignment, and set refresh interval to 500-1000 ms. Also add simple filters like outline or drop shadow for readability. This gives smooth, live updates while you stream. Finish by positioning and locking the now playing element in your scene. Test with multiple tracks and pause/resume so formatting holds. Once done, add a hide animation or hotkey to disable the display during breaks. Make sure it scales correctly in different scenes. Finally, run a short local recording to confirm behavior. Troubleshooting tip. If metadata stops updating, restart Spotify and the Now Playing tool, ensure both run on the same user account, and allow firewall or admin permissions. This fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.